safe and sound. Gotcha, little fly. Ouch! My nose! Honey is the best. Nature's magic. Harvest time. Pure gold. So smooth. Spin it fast. Liquid gold. Perfect amber. Looking good. Pre-ordered only. I'll get it anyway. Be right back. Hey, my turn. Sweet treasure. Bad monkey. Bark, bark, bark. Here, doggy. Oh, yeah. Bone time. Woohoo! We've got the honey! Yeah! Let's get out of here. Watch this turn. Oh, yeah! Nailed it! Wait! My honey! Let's go! Stop right there! No, no! Gotcha! Watch out! Watch out! Ouch, my tail!
What's that button?
See ya! Turbo power! Yeah! Give it back! Excuse us! Oh no! The police! Stars! Game over, monkey!
You are under arrest.
Delivery time! Fresh honey for all.
A long day.
Thanks, my bees. You're the best. See you next time.
Time to get digging! Hooray! Look at these bananas!
Wow! Whoa! It's so heavy! Look at it, it's glowing! I got it! Oh, I got it!
You did it! He'll never know I'm here. That egg is mine. Happy chick.
So! Ooh! Ooh! Ow! So!
Ow, 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 my bumps. Gotta keep going. Just a little further. Oh,
Why get me? Yanda!
oh no! It's gone! Cluck, cluck, cluck? Where is it? Where is it? Help! 911!
Help! Trouble at the farm! Hurry!
Copy that, farmer. Stay calm, we're on our way. Stand by.
I told him not to go near the coop.
Understood. Can you describe him?
Little golden monkey. Huh? Just a baby.
Look, farmer, there it is. He's got the egg.
I knew it. Monkey's the thief. We need to go get it back.
Definitive prints.
Oh, I see it, officer. There's the trail.
Yes, following it now.
Straight ahead, they're heading for those trees.
Got it, speeding up.
I see him, Bull. He's got the golden egg.
Good work, Shark. We move now.
You're coming with me, monkey.
Please, officer. It was just a misunderstanding. Thank you, officer.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Wow! You're beautiful. Cheep, cheep. You'll never catch me. Chirp, chirp, chirp. I'm coming to get you.
Time for breakfast, everybody. Here I come. Uh-oh, something's wrong. This trail is huge, and look at this skin. Something's in those bushes.
Snake! Don't get close!
Use tools, not bare hands.
Back up! Give it space! Ah! I said back up! Hide!
Shoo! Go back to the wild.
Never chase into bushes.
Smart farms help everyone work better. Everything is connected.
Balance keeps nature healthy.
Why is his farm so perfect?